Hey, Randy here with Retire with Options. I'm just going to do a year-end update for 2020. I haven't put out any videos for quite some time, so here we go. I'm up to 208 subscribers now to my channel. That's one of the reasons I don't do a lot more videos, because it just seems like Options doesn't get a lot of the views or subscribe. So if you do like this type of content, be sure and subscribe, because I have quite a few more subscribers into my Facebook account and to my Discord account. So if I look at my cash appeared puts account, the private group now is up to 607 members. It has grown like crazy. I only started this a few months ago, but it's obviously hit a chord out there and people are flocking to this. So there's quite a bit of information available in here now with a lot of user input. And on the same token, my Discord group, Financial Topics, has grown considerably over the last few months. Gets hundreds and hundreds of messages a week. So it's going really well. One of the most popular parts of the Discord is the progress reports. And in the 2020 progress reports, you can see where people have come from and where they're going. 2021 is a new section. It'll have the 2021 progress reports. And you can see people in here posting their totals and what they've done for the last several weeks and months. And here's actually my report for 2020. I actually started documenting this fairly closely about 3 months ago, and for this final quarter I've increased my portfolio value by about $101,000, and here it breaks it down by the month, and here are the weekly totals and how that happens. Another thing you'll find in this Discord are is to post your trades. I generally post most of my trades the day I do them. I won't say that I do it all the time, but you'll find that all these other people, they post their trades too. So you can see exactly what they're doing and how we're doing it. So this community is really good to help you get started and help you refine your strategies. Again, all this is free. So we've got all these people out here just, of course today is Sunday, so not too many people are on. But yeah, it's growing quite well. The 2021 progress reports, everyone seems to be itching at it, but you know, we haven't had our first week yet, so jump on in and yeah, just follow along. We've got a new section on here called where did it go? Confused Newbies. So if you have any questions and you just don't know what's going on, come post in here and someone will jump in and help you get started. So Options is, it can be confusing, but it's definitely a tool worth learning. I never would have believed a year ago that I would be making the kind of options profit that I am now. In fact, I'm kind of just a little bit worried about the tax situation. I'll have to figure out how to get that appropriately worked out. I've got plenty of cash available to pay the taxes, but I'm going to have to figure out how to get it set up so I pay the appropriate quarterly tax and avoid penalties in the future. I'll probably be hit with a few this year because my income went so massively parabolic this year. So we also got down here some specific stocks that people are following. Just kind of makes it interesting to follow along. We got some voice channels down here that are currently underutilized. I'd like to see them start being utilized next year and maybe get some day trading chatter going on. The private rooms are generally for person-to-person counseling. But basically that's it. It's been a very, very good year for stocks and for options. Over here, and you'll find my moderator list. You'll find that everyone who's listed in here has had very good years and can help you out. Down here in the DJ Trains and Alex channel, these guys get really into charting, and they're just a kick to watch. I don't necessarily go along with all the charting that they do, and nor can I even keep up with all the charting they do. But the channel is not just limited to these three guys. Everyone's welcome in there. It's just they're the ones who kind of keep this channel going. On the 300 to a million plan, it's fun to note that many of us have now incorporated into our progress reports a column that says months to a million. So we're actually counting down what it's going to take to get to that. And let's see. John, no, he hasn't got it in there yet. CPTO. Yep, months to a million. Months to a million. So people are starting to incorporating that months to a million just because it is now realistic for people to actually determine, where they're at in their progress and what they need to do to get to that next step. So yeah, that's kind of basically it. I guess I'll start trying to do a few more videos, maybe weekly, or and just kind of post my progress as it goes along. Because I would like to get the YouTube subscribers up to that 1,000 mark. That's what you have to get YouTube to give you monetized. So if y'all would just hit that like button and subscribe button. And yeah, that's basically it. We'll talk to you next week. Bye.